Every minute, me try master my craft. Active.
Yeah, man, SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before me jump in it, may I beg everybody just like, share, and subscribe on the video here. And as well as you don't know, I have a big up Father God, thank God so we have life, so we can show out that video here. And my people who don't see what going on the screen right now, don't tell you say Valiant is overseas, he's in Cayman, and he might mash up the place from the concert we him do, the Patriot concert, up to the boat ride party yesterday evening, my people. I'm gonna make you check out a couple snippets and see what going on. Oh, my people, before we actually jump into that, I want to make you know what for big up, because I had to partner with 345. I'm gonna say everything 345. They are based in Canada. They are based in Cayman. I am not in Cayman, so I had to partner with another vlogger. So big up yourself. Everything 345. I'm gonna put up them IG, so you don't know. Everybody were there in Cayman Islands, Jamaica, everyone. You just go over them IG, give them some like, give them some love. Alright, make them know say a Jamaican chat, a chat about them. You see what I say? So my people, check out and see what go on. You don't see Valiant, Jetski, life, and all of that. And we're gonna just get into some snippets real quick.
Still awake and still awake every minute. Me try master my craft. Remember the past. Every minute, me try master my craft. Remember the past. From catch me heart, the world start dance, and everybody love me. And still awake active.
Yeah, my people, and you don't see what go on. Mad thing. Be a full enjoyment go on. You understand? Be a full enjoyment. So you don't know, before me I just beg on you, just like up the video, share up the video, subscribe on the video, my people. Big up on yourself. And that wasn't it, my people. There was a little, a little vibing segment as well, because I'm telling you, a yacht party, big thing. Cayman, I don't know if you don't know the Cayman or the Cayman people, them do it. Them have a lot of cruise, a lot of yacht party, a lot of, you understand, because them small ocean, they're near to them, the sea close, you understand? So check it out, my people, and see what go on. Mad thing in the night.
Air Force white like teaser. My clutch I got lava visa. Designer beat and cologne I create that. Stop, but we can keep up on that. Yo Falcon, Glock 40 on my belly, my clout tip on my body shot out when she ready.
Alright, my people. See how I'm carrying at the dance with me. So I'm carrying at the party. I couldn't know what the artists are going with in a Cayman. Big up yourself, Valiant. And big up yourself one more time. Everything 345. You understand? All of the Cayman people, them. Everybody all over, just go over everything 345 and check them out. You understand? So my people, that take me to the next update now for you, because you don't know say Popcorn drop him new album, right? Great is E, and he did a private launch party yesterday, and we'll have a look at snippet from that for drop.
Yes, we are fighting this for some boy even know. Some girl didn't even know. They just see it and feel like a Belarus. They got much of that. He said not to the grandma play and think of Belarus. It's not a Belarus. They got Jamaica in a place. 876 more pretty everywhere in the world. We represent the 876 to the fullest. You hear that? I'm just going to know this tonight, sir. I love and light. I love everybody we pull up tonight and support the thing. Our music greater than what even Jamaican think. Our music greater than what everybody think. Our music are the first and it is forever. And it can never go nowhere. Dancer, reggae music that represent art. And it means greatness. So everybody here tonight, I send you my love and appreciation for pull up like a song, because great is he and great is me. Big up our friends that must be different than Jamaica.
My people, you don't know me, that for squeeze the one there in there, the private party they did bad, launch party to the new album, GIHE. Great is he. Alright, my people, take me back over to the next update I have, because you don't know, this video is all about Valiant being in Cayman, my people. So all who never get for check out the performance that he officially did in Cayman, the name of the party was Catchy At, and he mash it up. I'm gonna drop the performance so you can check it out. All who never get to see the video yesterday, and big up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. I am out.
So never those hard of the earth. Shoes up. Them boy ain't newbie, I'm a big spell bougie, I'm a lifestyle movie. ZLE. I hit chance and I'm a got a banana. I'm never saying some more. Step all the signs on leads, I'm a buy a lead, and I never try me. Girl, funny never that free, but she said it's on me, she know it on me. Insects light up. Money they are buying up, from size up, to a camera. There is something that I'm not ready. Say, $100 million to the garden. As I'm looking at me head, what's up? Me and them girl in the house, I drink this beer. I want to sing the part already. This girl call me early morning. So me just reversing all it. You big come on. Sit down, baby. I thought you want to talk to them again. You want to talk to them again? Man, they don't know the father rap. Father rap, ready? Science, we are too much of the giant. Science, we are too much of the giant. And some get corrupt. I'm here talk on the phone and no up. I send the link Mama G for the product. I'm a rubber in a healthy summer. Before 5 big truck, I'm a summer. So we load up the chase then. I'll be a big bang and then I'm here man. If you look the rich and buy beer then. Then I skull don't stop with my beer then. I'll be a bitch chopper, they are me a pen. Every youth will rich and buy me a pen. Tell a skull don't fuck with my payment. What's it? Me I get a teaser. Chip, no. What the hell? You're not there, every style I do. I'm gonna say all I range on April like so. That's so much up on our fire. I'm here up in my yard. I'm going to die. We are working with the wall and I'm up in line. Who got in the world? These are roads for the hill, we are big recovery. From me you feel it bold, and my mommy feel smile. We are running couple leads with the solar. And I'm a clear and spark, from a giant to find. And every money I have to pay, come a rope down we die. And if the fire now take them on! I'm a baby, I 5 million grand on the zany. I'm in the case, I had you got in the next year. This boy don't run from parties. I'm a star, girl, me and Varsity. I'm a split tongue, girl, love call me. I'm a big woman, girl, we do a body. Listen me here, man, girl, some balls. When me do big girl, love some cocky. I you know me now, I fuck a fatty. Girl, in the back, bitch, she said it's nothing, yeah. Say me a fuck shit, me a fuck shit. A freaky girl, I don't wanna see you. Take some fucking emotion. Take some fucking emotion. Talking about it, ready. So sad, girl, let clean your phone. Can't suck it down, come scared alone. Uptown girl will change your love. Have a see you girl and she not so full. Mom come by your face and you lick it up. Up on here, man, I will be pick her up. Man run her neck, I'm a fuck her hard and I talk to her clear with her. Ready, go back, go! And me a go see a go see. Touch my way. I used to walk in the road and drive. And me a sick from the heart, what a heartbeat. I wait at the passing. Yo, the hype and the fame become a target. Yo, me then I'm a zone, nobody call me. Yo, me still in the game and I'm far. Yo, Tigger, one thing something, father. I gotta protect me when my drive out. I'm in a friend and a fiber. I'm 357 with the eyes closed. And this I feel like you. Happy, I'm a fully pulled. And the crown my glass and Louis, that's your Biggie, what's up? Ben's big like on the road big. Have some guns on the road big. The Cayman girl, she a trophy. Video me there, you burn the motive chick. Like the man if you back. Well, I get my teaser again, my father. One of them know that one, yeah. Ready? Bullshit. Jesus Christ, Father. The people are going to tear me on this. The people are going to tear them over this right now. Ready? I'm going to turn. Go, sir. Dance. Wait.